How to reset Snapchat password without email or phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can reset your Snapchat. So all you need to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to reset your Snapchat password without email or phone number, you have to open up a web browser. On the web address bar, type in support.snapchat and that's going to take you to this field. So right on this page, you need to select help.snapchat and that's going to take you to this page, where you need to scroll down a bit and then you need to click on the option that says contact us. Right on this page, you need to submit a request. So for that, you need to go ahead and select I can't access my account, and under it you need to go ahead and select my account is locked. You read all of these terms and conditions. Then you can just go ahead and select I forgot my password. When you do that, it's going to take you to the other field where you'll be asked to select all of these information. So right on this page, once again scroll down right to the bottom and click the yes button. So basically you have to provide in the username, your email address associated with it, and then the phone number, and type in the description accordingly. If you don't have your email address and a mobile number, then what you need to do is you can just provide in the description as you don't have an access of your email as well as your phone number, and provide in a valid information so that they can look into your matter and you can reset your Snapchat password. Now there is no such guarantee that this method is going to work 100%, but then you can give it a shot, and then there is no such way to recover or reset your Snapchat password without email or phone number, as it is one of the important steps while creating your Snapchat. You should have an access of either your phone number or an email address, then only you'll be able to reset your Snapchat password. So when you actually go and look for other alternative methods, such as trying to get through some third-party application or using an extension, these are all the applications that might hamper your account or that might get your account hacked. So make sure not to follow all these and just contact the support team, state about the issue, and they'll look into your matter. So that is how you can reset Snapchat password without email or phone number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.